nagkaroon ba talaga ng real danger recently doon sa inyong Senate presidency? Was there a real challenge?
To be very frank about it, I didn't think so. I did not think so. Kasi una sa lahat yung mga kasama ko pagka merong naririnig o yung mga kasama namin sa majority, pag may naririnig o may pinag-uusapan, tinatanong agad ako At nag-uusap-usap kami nila Senator Lacson, nila Senator Loren. So alam namin kung merong merong nagtabalak. And then there was a time na magkausap kami ni Minority Leader Alan. This is about 2-3 days ago. No, yeah. Saturday. Saturday kami magkausap ano siya mismo, sinasabi niya sa akin. Ako walang kinakausap sabi niya. Naniniwala ako sa kanya na wala siyang kinakausap. Kung sakali mang may kumakausap, hindi siya.
Okay. Pero si Minority Leader Cayetano, hindi nag-attempt to take the Senate presidency?
I don't think so. I didn't think so. Maybe at the start when we were changing, maybe. I don't know. But not lately. Not lately.
Pero would you say that at this point, yung inyo pong Senate presidency is secure?
Yes, I think we're quite confident. The Senate is stable so far. The majority, even the minority, is stable. But I won't be surprised if there will be 1 or 2 members of the minority who would join us in certain votes or in certain issues. That will not be surprising as far as the Senate is concerned.
So may possibility po na mas lumawak pa yung inyong majority in terms of numbers? Ganun po ba yan?
Posible yan kapag ang pinag-uusapan natin ay for the good of the country na. Let's say there will be a bill that will be discussed that is medyo controversial. Doon makikita natin dyan. Baka lumawak yung majority pagdating sa mga ganyang mga bagay. Meron mga inaasahan kami kasi sa electoral reforms, doon sa Independent People's Commission na bill, bill yun As a matter of fact, merong mga doon laman ng LEDAC na napagkasunduan. Yung napagkasunduan so far is 12 for the first regular session of the 20th Congress. That means until June, hopefully the 12th. Andun yung Land Use Act. Nandun yung Freedom of Information. Yung mga ganun. Papalagay ko doon, may dadami kami doon. Dadami ang mga ikangay sumusuporta doon. So, it's possible. Pwede rin pamisan-misan, medyo merong member na majority boboto against. Hindi nakakapag yun na very freewheeling naman ang Senado